Good morning, class 19, SE Matrix, carrying 9 marks. Topics: inverse matrix, determinants, Cramer's rule, solving equations by matrix method. There are question number 2b 1 mark, 7a 2 marks, 7b 2 marks, question number 14 4 marks. Set 1, question number 2b, if a equal PQRS, find the determinant A. Solution: A determinant means value, PQRS. How to solve? Left up to right down, this into this, then left down to right up, माथिबाट यसरी तल यसरी मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने, यो पोजिटिभ यो नेगेटिभ, PS minus QR. This is the value of determinant A. Question number 7a. I have written question 7a. If A equal 2 minus 1 3 1, find if A equal 2 minus 1 3 1, find A determinant. Is it defined? Solution: the value of matrix A is 2 minus 1 3 1. Find the determinant A. Solution is this: A 2 minus 1 3 1. Therefore determinant A equal 2 minus 1 3 1. How to solve? 2 into 1, this into this, minus, right, minus sign, and 3 into minus 1. 2 minus minus plus 3 5, not equal to 0. Is it defined? It means yes. Modulus A or determinant A is defined. Why? As determinant A is not 0. If determinant A is 0, it cannot be defined. Modulus A को भ्यालु 0 आएमा not defined हुन्छ, not defined, or it is known, it is singular matrix. Question number 7b. I have written question number 7b, Cramer's rule. Solved by Cramer's rule. The equations are ax plus by equals c, equation number 1, px plus qy equal r, equation number 2. How to solve two equations? Ax plus by equals c, px plus qy equal r. Solution: this is the equation. Question: ax plus by equals c, equation number 1, px plus qy equal r, equation number 2. First of all, determinant. D for determinant. How to write down the value of determinant? यसको लागि के गर्ने भने xy मिलाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ र यसको कोएफिसिएन्टहरु यसरी लेख्ने x को कोएफिसिएन्ट a y को कोएफिसिएन्ट b यसमा p यो q यो डिटरमिनेन्ट यसरी निकाल्ने यस्तो किसिमले यो निकालिन्छ aq minus bp determinant is this. अब dx निकाल्ने तरिका x निकाल्दाखेरि के गर्नुपर्छ भन्दा यहाँ हेरौँ x निकाल्नलाई x लाई छोड्नु यसलाई यो जुन कोएफिसिएन्ट छ ax by यो पछाडीको cr अगाडि लेख्ने यो cr पछाडीको भ्यालु cr यसरी लेखिन्छ a को ठाउँमा यो cr bq यसरी लेखिन्छ जसरी अघि a b pq लेखिन्थ्यो अब cb rq यसरी लेखिन्छ योलाई हटाएर यो ap को ठाउँमा यो cr अगाडि लेखिन्छ cq br राइट cq minus br this is dx and dy how to find dy y निकाल्नको लागि यहाँबाट हेर्नु ap यो y यसलाई छोप्दिने ac br a यो यहाँ लेख्यो x c p r फेरि हेर्नु त ac यसलाई छोप्ने ac p r ar minus pc ar minus pc if you have to find the determinant ax plus by equals c px plus qy equal r find determinant in this way ab pq aq minus bp to find dx remove ax a and p put cr पछाडि अगाडि ल्याउने and write cq minus br to find dy remove b and q write a c and pr find the determinant what is the value of x dx by d and y equal dy upon d in this way you can find the determinant. This is question number 7b. Now question number 14. Question number 14. Solve the equations by the matrix method. The equations are thrice x plus 5y equal 11 and twice x minus 3y equal 1. See, there are two equations. Question number 14 carrying 4 marks. Thrice x plus 5y equal 11. Twice x minus thrice y equal 1. There are two equations. Solution. How to solve the equation? First of all, write thrice x plus 5y equal 11 equation number 1 twice x minus thrice y equal 1 equation number 2 write down and writing them in the matrix form यसको x y माथि दुवै माथि एक्स वाइ बोथ अप। अर्को इक्वेसन हुनसक्छ एक्स वाइ बोथ डाउन, जस्तो 3/x 5/y भयो भने त्यही अनुसार राख्नुपर्छ। बोथ अप बोथ डाउन, एक्स अप वाइ डाउन, एक्स डाउन वाइ अप, त्यस्तो खालको हुनसक्छ। म्याट्रिक्स फर्ममा लेख्ने तरिका 3 5 यहाँ चाहिँ लेख्ने 3 कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ एक्स कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ वाइ, कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ एक्स कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ वाइ, and write x y equal 11 1, not open, यो open होइन। 3 5 2 minus 3 xy कोलममा xy in the column equal 11 1, or a, this is suppose a, this is x equal b, or x equal a inverse b, where a equal 3 5 2 minus 3 capital X equal x y and b 11 1. This is a, this is x, this is b. So ax equal b, or x equal a inverse b, where a equal 3 5 2 minus 3, x equal xy, b equal 11 1. You have to write up to this. Now, after finding this, modulus of a. What is the modulus of a? A determinant a, 3 5 2 minus 3, 3 5 2 minus 3. Left up, right down. यसले यसलाई गर्ने 3 into minus 3 minus, यो minus हुन्छ, यो into यो 2 into 5. This one is minus 9 minus 10 minus 19. A, determinant a is minus 19. Now adjoint a means, how to find adjoint a? यसलाई भन्छौँ पोजिसन चेन्ज। यस्तो छ पोजिसन साइन, हेर्नु त 3 minus 3 यसको पोजिसन चेन्ज गर्ने, यसको पोजिसन चेन्ज गर्दा +3 minus 3 को यस्तो गर्ने, 3 minus 3 को यो यता -3 यो चाहिँ यता, यसको साइन चेन्ज, +2 becomes -2, +5 becomes -5. This is the adjoint a. Adjoint a. Position change, हेर्नु त position change, sign change, position and sign change a. Now what is a inverse? A inverse निकाल्ने तरिका 1 by determinant a adjoint a. This is the adjoint, -3 -5 -2 3 equal value 1 by -19, 1 upon determinant a is -19 -3 -5 -2 3. यो लेख्नु। अब we know x equal a inverse b, or x equal, what is the value of a inverse? See, a inverse -1 by 19 -3 -5 -2 3, and value of b 11 1. X equal a inverse b, x लेख्ने, a inverse value, this one B value, A inverse value minus 1 by 19, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, 3, you let me. B, numerical value 11, 1 or capital X equal minus 1 by 19, same राख्ने. It's like row by column. यो row ले यो column लाई multiply. This into this minus 3. This into this minus 33. This into this minus 5. This into this minus 22 plus 3. Here the row column. First into first minus 33. You second into second minus 5. Minus 2 into 11 minus 22. 3 into 1 plus 3. Or x equal minus 1 by 19. Just simplify it. Minus 38 minus 19. Your journey both minus or x equal यो अपन यो गर्ने. अब हेर्नु त यसले डिभाइड गर्दा म डाइरेक्ट गर्छु. माइनस माइनस प्लस हुन्छ. 38 by 19 2. यो माथि यो तल हुँदाखेरि 1 हुन्छ. द्याट मिन्स क्यापिटल X इक्वल xy 2 1. Therefore x equal 2, y equal 1. Answer. You can put or check the answer if it is correct or not. You can check the original answer. How to check? You can check in this way, or you can put the value in the original. 2 1 and 3. First of all, how to solve? Write in the matrix form. Write x equal A inverse B. Find out A determinant, adjoint A inverse, and put the value row by column multiplication. You can find x equal to y equal 3. Now check whether the answer is wrong or right. You can check in the original equation. What is the original equation? I write 3x. Just check 3x plus 5y. 3 into 2 plus 5 into 1. 6 plus 5, 11. Correct. Another is twice x minus thrice y. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Or directly you can just you can check orally like 3x plus 5y. 3 to the 6, 5 1 5. एकदम छिटो तरिकाले 6 plus 5 11. 2 to the 4 minus 3 1. The answer is correct. X equal to y equal 1 is correct by checking.